searching for prospecting ideas in network marketing? You may even be wondering, what is prospecting? As you pay attention to this post, I'll be sharing with you how to do sales prospecting and how you can improve upon your sales prospecting skills. So first, let's cover what prospecting actually is in business. What is prospecting? Prospecting is one of the most important steps of a sales process. It's simply searching for potential customers for your products and services. Again, as you pay attention to this post, we'll be sharing with you how to do sales prospecting and how you can improve upon your sales prospecting skills in order to overcome the common sales obstacles. Alright, now, let's cover how to find prospects in network marketing. First things first. Let's help you grab a sense of how to prospect. Step 1, study your products. This is one of the most important sales prospecting techniques. The more you know what you're selling, the better you'll become at knowing who you're supposed to sell to daily. Step 2, choose your platform. Decide which platform you believe where most of your prospects are. Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? Is it Twitter? Find out where your prospects spend time. Step 3, select a strategy. Choose which strategy you want to use to find potential customers. You can choose one of the strategies below in the description if you're not sure which one to use. All you have to do is scroll down to the description of this video, click Show More, and find the link that says Target Marketing Strategies course. Click it and you can learn how to improve your prospecting skills dramatically. Step 4, target and identify ideal prospects. Make sure you're in your target market and see who has a need for your services or products. This is one of the most overlooked sales prospecting tips people truly tend to overlook. And the final step. Step 5, connect with and qualify prospects. One of the final steps of prospecting new ideal customers is qualifying. Want more sales? Connect with them and ask qualifying questions to see if they're an ideal fit for what you're selling. Want to learn more about prospecting? Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.